Michael Rosen, this is crazy. I'm gonna burn your ear. Do you want an apple? No. Do you want something to eat? No. Do you want some Michael Rosen? Yes. Got an apple in my hands. Do you want it? Yes. Do you want to get it? My mum and dad used to babysit my brother. This meant that my brother had to babysit my mum and dad. My mum was 4 years old. Anyway, the Michael Rosen rave. Waiting to be fried. When I was 1, I tried weed too. I ate the dogs, and then I ate the car, and then I ate my mum. Don't scratch. Now he's biting his card. This is a long card. I'm biting his, and then we start the moaning. I want some crisps. Fast me and say yes, again and again and again. Oh no! It isn't fair. Shush. Would you believe it? There's my mum, not taking any notice of my card. That really winds them up.